Now, therefore, be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of the Fairfax County residents, does hereby proclaim April 26, 2024, Arbor Day.
So we are at Annandale Terrace Elementary School, and we are celebrating Arbor Day. We had the students from the choral group and the ensemble group coming out. We had art students who made big banners to celebrate Arbor Day. We had the Student Environmental Club out here actually planting the trees, along with many people from the community, from the school community and from beyond, from the county, who came here just to celebrate the fact that we are putting trees in the ground here at Annandale Terrace Elementary School.
We have embarked on a huge challenge and a huge effort to meet a series of very ambitious goals to address the climate crisis and reduce our emissions. And we have a goal in Fairfax County to be a carbon neutral county by 2050. And trees and our tree canopy are a critical part of helping us reach that goal.
We are here to plant trees for Arbor Day, for our special Arbor Day ceremony. Thanks to Fairfax County Urban Forestry and Merrifield Garden Center have donated 20 trees to us. So we planted about 8 in the fall, and today we're going to be planting about 12 trees. This is all part of our Get to Green Club, which is a Fairfax County initiative to try and make us carbon neutral and to improve the environment and teach kids environmental stewardship. So many of our students get to celebrate and enjoy the trees, as well as our teachers and the community as well, who uses the area after school for all of their events. So it really feeds back into our community as well.
We want to celebrate Arbor Day because trees are so important for us. They clean the water, they clean the air, they provide shade. Overall, just teaching our students to be environmental stewards and to take care of the earth is such an important part of what the Get to Green program is about. We want them to learn about taking care of the environment now so that they'll do it for the rest of their lives. And when they are the ones who are making decisions for what should happen next, they'll have that knowledge and that expertise to be able to know what the right decisions are to preserve the world.